Good morning, students. In this class, I am going to teach you how to raise the questions in English. So this topic is about how to improve your questioning ability. You can easily understand and you can talk in English, but in some cases when you have to raise the question, you may have some butterflies in your stomach. You may have to face some difficulties in raising the questions. In order to avoid such a problem, I am going to give you some tips as to how to raise the questions. Let me give you a demo. I'm going to raise some questions with the help of this bottle. Now I'm going to raise some questions and I will answer for those questions as well. The main focus of this video is about raising the questions. Okay, what is this? This is water bottle. Does it contain water? No, it does not contain water at all. Is it full of water? No, it is not full of water. Is it quite empty? Yes, it's quite empty. Am I holding this water bottle in my right hand? Yes, I am holding the water bottle in my right hand. Do you want this water bottle? Yes, I want this water bottle. And is it looking nice? Yes. And what color is it? The color of this water bottle is pink color. So when did you buy this water bottle? I bought it a couple of weeks ago. How much did you pay for this? I paid for this about 50 rupees. How long is it since you have bought this water bottle? It's about 15 days since I have bought this water bottle. Okay, do you also have a similar kind of water bottle with you? No, I do not have this kind of water bottle with me. And does it contain 1 liter or 2 liters of water bottle? It contains only 1 liter of water. Okay, does it contain milk or water? It neither contains milk nor oil. Okay, and could I borrow your water bottle? Of course, no problem. Okay, and where do you normally keep this water bottle? I usually keep this water bottle in my bag. Okay, do you have the habit of lending your water bottle to someone? No, I don't lend it to anyone else. Okay, do you fill the water bottle with cold water or hot water? I usually fill this water bottle only with cold water. When do you give water to someone when they feel thirsty? Yes, whenever some students are asking me to give them water, I give them to drink water. Okay, is it very expensive? It's not that much expensive. Is it very cheap? Not so cheap. And in which shop did you buy this water bottle? I'm sorry, I forgot in which shop I bought this water bottle. Where did you buy this? I bought it from a shop which is located at Namakkal. Okay, and is it tightly closed now? Yes, it is tightly closed now. And do you find it very difficult to open it? No, I don't find it difficult to open it. And so how many liters of water do you fill in it? So I fill the bottle till its brim. And how often do you wash this water bottle? I wash it every day. Do you use hot water or cold water to wash this bottle? I normally use hot water before I am going to fill it with the cold water. Okay, and is it made of plastic? Yes, of course, it's made of plastic. And why don't you use some other colors or designs of this water bottle? So I like, when I went to the shop to buy this, I saw various kinds of colors, but I liked it so much, therefore I bought it. And am I holding this bottle in upside down? No. Am I holding it in upside down? Yes, I am holding this water bottle in upside down. Can you hold it in vertical position? Yes, I can hold it in vertical position. Can you shake it? Yes, I can shake this. So does it full of is it full of water? No, it's not full of water. And do you want this water bottle to use? Yes, I want to use it. How long do you want to use it? I want to use it at least for a few days. How long can I have it with me? You can have it with you at least for a few days. So, dear students, I have raised some questions with the help of this water bottle. In the same way, I would like you to choose some objects as per your choice, and you can try to improve your questioning ability in the same way. But you should practice like this a lot. You don't bother about your grammatical mistakes. You don't bother about anything. You can just try to practice raising some questions in the same way. At least 10 questions or 20 questions, as many questions as you can, and you can improve your questioning ability day by day, and you will notice your excellent improvement within very short period of time. So all you need to do is to practice a lot. This is one of the best ways to improve your questioning ability. By doing so, you can have excellent skills, for which you need to learn the structures of all the questions, like yes or no question, negative questions, WH questions, and all 12 tenses. You must have the structure, and with the help of this structure you should raise the question. And I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for having watched me.